Trying to lose weight is hard enough, we all know that. It becomes even harder when you're making mistakes you're unaware of. Something I've seen a lot of my 15 years as a weight loss coach. So, here are the 5 mistakes and some simple fixes to help. Mistake number 1, no specific goal. Fix, have a definite goal. Mistake number 2, exercising for weight loss. Fix, eat better because you can't out-exercise a poor diet. Mistake number 3, perfectionism. Fix, nobody is. Get over yourself and move on. Mistake number 4, fad diet. Fix, eat healthy, enough said. And mistake number 5, unrealistic time frames. Fix, aim for 1 to 1.75 pounds per week, which is sustainable and it adds up very quickly. Adopt these simple fixes and enjoy more success and less stress with your weight loss. And check out my free services below for more tips, insights just by clicking on the bio link below.